Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today's video will be on a date night makeup look. So girl, if you finna go on a date, then you need to watch this video. Before I get started, I just want to let y'all see the palette that I will be like hitting the Trey songs on. Like I'm gonna be diving into this palette and I want to show y'all before like I just dip in it. But anyway, this is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette, and look, these colors are everything. Like if you look really close, you'll be able to see that some of them are just doing their own thing, but this palette is so me. Like these names: Magnetic, Love Sick, Sweetheart, Sinner. These are some, like basically they have me in a palette. So I just wanted to show y'all that because it's just too beautiful to not be seen. Like girl, I just showed you off. So anyway, got it from Target. We're gonna jump right into this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and make sure you subscribe to your girl channel. Until next time, peace. Okay guys, so I'm just taking the color Infatuation and I'm just sweeping this back and forth or left to right in the crease area just to make my eyes more defined. Okay, next I'm just taking a bright looking nude color and putting this under my brow bone. I know a lot of people don't do this anymore, but honey, I still do it because I still like it and I'm going to keep doing it. Okay, but yes, that's just what I'm doing there, and I'm just blending it out with the same brush I used to put Infatuation down. Okay, so now my favorite part of doing my makeup is laying this lid color, and I am using the color Magnetic. And y'all, this color is so pretty, and these pigments pick up so good. Like I'm not even over exaggerating, they picking up really good. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid, and then I'm gonna take another smaller brush just to get like in my inner tear ducts really good with that same color and blend that out. Okay, so next what I'm doing is I'm putting the color Risky in the outer lid and bringing it up into the crease, and then I'm going to blend that out. And this is all for the eyes. When it comes to makeup, doing the eyeshadow, most times they can take from probably like 2 to 5 minutes. It's the foundation and the contouring and all that other stuff, so we can look like yes, and is fine. Oh, and putting your liner on. I'm gonna put some liner on, some lashes, and some mascara, and that's for real gonna be it with the eyes. I mean, it takes no time because baby, you can't have makeup on without the lashes. Like honey, put a whole face of makeup on without lashes and see how you look. Pop them lashes on and see how much it changed. So right here, I'm getting distracted, y'all. Okay, so right here, I'm just moisturizing my face, and then I'm going to put some translucent powder on it just so that the foundation can be really matte how I like it. Okay, then after that, I like to spray my face. I'm just using some setting spray. So I spray my face and then my brush with my makeup on it. And then I just go in and put makeup pops, like chicken pox. I put that all over my face, and putting those dots all over my face made me think about Maggie the Ferocious Beast. Y'all remember that show? Okay, but for real though. Okay, so I'm putting the makeup on and I'm just rubbing it all into my skin, you know, getting it flawless so we can be fine and flawless, because you don't want to be looking fine and not flawless. Okay, so now I'm using some concealer, and all the products will be listed down below, and I'm using my finger to like warm up the concealer, and then I'm going in with a beauty blender, and then I'm gonna put some translucent powder on top of it. And I'm about to stop talking, because if I keep on talking, my words is not gonna come out right. Okay, so after we shake the haters up off us, I just like to go in with my brush, the same one that I used to put my foundation on, and I just like to go over my face again, because to me, I just feel like this is really blending my look in, you know what I'm saying? So here I'm going to be using my bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face, you know, basically bronze contouring my face, and like so, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my nose as well, but I just want to say, anybody who talking about my edges, y'all can bag up off of me. Because when I silk press my hair, I do not like to put any product in my hair, nothing but like some oil or something like that. I don't put nothing on my edges because it's building product up. So right here you can clearly see that I am putting some highlighter on my cheekbones, and then bringing it up to the end of my brows, and then I'm going to do my lips. But yes, I don't like to put any product on my edges, because it'll make me have to wash my hair more sooner than I have to, and I'm putting setting spray on my face. And here I'm just humbly wiping off my little lip gloss so I can put these bomb lips on. Okay, and then after I put my liner on and my color, I like to take a brush and just blend everything together, because I don't want that harsh line. But you know, however you like to do your lips, baby, do it like that, because you know that black liner that we used to wear back in the day, or your mama used to wear, that stuff is coming back. So do it how you want to do it. But this look was so cute, definitely feeling myself. And I ain't want to wash my face off. Y'all know how y'all just be looking so bum. I'm like, baby, I would sit there all night with my face done so that y'all can see, even though we wearing a mask. But okay, so this was the final look, and y'all looking real cute. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to your girl channel. Until next time, peace, y'all.